Aid in Dying by Hope Gordon. You may be asking yourself why receiving aid in dying is important. For some people, just knowing that they have that option helps them fight longer by giving them the comfort of knowing they are able to get access to it when things aren't looking good for them. For others, it prevents people from committing dangerous suicides like jumping off bridges, hanging, or shooting themselves. People have the option to die peacefully in the comfort of their own home with their friends and family around on their own terms. It gives some the comfort of knowing their illness won't take everything away from them and that they still have control over this part of their life. Aid in dying is only legal in 5 states, including Washington, Oregon, California, Montana, and Vermont. Many terminally ill people live their life in a hospital, or they are taking multiple trips to the hospital to get dialysis, chemotherapy, or whatever else it may be. They miss out on things they enjoy, like going for a bike ride, taking their dog for a walk, or going places to travel the world because they're stuck to machines or can't because their doctors advise they shouldn't travel farther than an hour away from the hospital just in case something happens. Who wants to live a life like that? To not be able to do the things you enjoyed or want to do, to have to sit there in pain all while your body is slowly wasting away. Many people say receiving aid in dying is a bad idea. They think that person with the illness is letting the illness control their life, or that they are taking the easy way out. According to the Ipsos graph, 32% of people think it should not be legal for a doctor to prescribe life-ending medication, whereas 52% of people think it should be legal for a doctor to prescribe life-ending medication. The rest either don't know or prefer not to say. You can get involved with aid in dying by joining movements, writing letters to Congress, or if your loved one have personally experienced a situation that involves death with dignity, you could share your story. A website called deathwithdignity.org provides people the ability to share their stories about this issue. It also has places people can go to join movements and see where their state currently stands on this issue. You can help make a difference and raise awareness to get the Death with Dignity Act passed in your state and others around the world. Help those who cannot fight for themselves because their illness is preventing them to do so. Help be the voice for the terminally ill who are enduring a hard battle that they may not want to fight anymore.